There's a reason so many plant journeys begin with Pothos, and it's not just because it's easy. Pothos feels engineered to make you fall in love with greenery, glossy leaves, effortless growth, and a talent for turning "I forgot to water" into "wow, it still looks amazing." What makes this humble vine so suspiciously perfect? Let's unpack why Pothos might be the most genius plant you'll ever own. Set it by a bright window? Great. Tuck it into that moody corner you only remember during spring cleaning? Also great. In the wild, Pothos thrives beneath thick canopies, so it's built for filtered light and shade. Just skip long blasts of harsh sun. Those leaves will crisp up and tell you off. Those lush heart-shaped leaves look high maintenance, but Pothos is chill. Miss a watering or two? It shrugs. Let the soil dry between drinks and feed lightly during the growing season. And it will keep shining like you put effort into it, even when you didn't. Pothos isn't only pretty, it works. It's often cited from NASA's Clean Air Study for filtering certain indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene in controlled conditions. Translation: while it won't replace your ventilation, it's a handsome helper that contributes to a fresher feeling space. No plug needed. Fall for your Pothos and it happily multiplies. Snip a stem below a node, pop it in water, and roots appear like a little science fair. Pot them up or keep a trailing water garden on a windowsill. One plant becomes many, and suddenly you're the friend who brings cuttings to every gathering. New plant parents fear bugs. Pothos rarely invites them. It's naturally resilient, typically unbothered by aphids or spider mites. If something does pop up, a quick rinse or a dab of neem oil usually resets the situation. Low drama, high reward. Pothos knows how to accessorize. Golden Pothos glows with sunlit variegation. Marble Queen swirls cream through green. Neon Pothos shouts in bright chartreuse. Each variety brings its own vibe, but they all share that easygoing personality that hooks beginners and keeps experts collecting. Baskets, bookshelves, wall trellises, Pothos adapts. Let it trail, train it to climb, or grow it in water for a sleek, modern look. Shape it into living art, weave it through wire frames, or loop it into a planty wreath. Wherever you place it, it finds a way to look effortlessly alive. Walk into any nursery or big box store and Pothos is waiting, affordable and ready to go. It's the gateway plant that doesn't gatekeep. Easy to find, quick to love, and once you learn to propagate, you'll have an endless supply for gifts, swaps, and every empty corner in your home. This isn't a fling, it's a relationship. Pothos can live for a decade with minimal fuss, and well-tended specimens can clock much longer. Give it basic care, moderate light, occasional water, a pot with good drainage, and it will grow with you through apartments, jobs, and new chapters, quietly brightening the same corner it claimed years ago. So, why does Pothos win? Adaptable light needs, forgiving watering, easy propagation, low pest pressure, budget pricing, and a closet full of gorgeous varieties. Pothos is the plant that meets you where you are and then gently raises your game. It doesn't demand perfection, it simply rewards consistency with lush, cascading growth. If this helped you see Pothos in a new light, tap like and subscribe to Balcony Garden Web, where every leaf tells a story and every new plant parent finds their groove.